In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno AI. To get started, go to the Suno AI website or open the Suno app on your device. Once you're there, sign up for an account if you're new, or simply log in if you already have one. After that, click on Create to begin making your song. This is where the creative process really starts. Next, choose the creation mode that best fits what you want to do. Depending on the version you're using, Suno may offer different ways to generate music, so pick the option that matches your goal. Then, in the prompt or description field, type in what kind of song you want to create. The more clearly you describe your idea, the better Suno can understand the direction you want. When writing your description, include details like the genre such as pop, rock, country, EDM, or gospel. You should also mention the mood, whether you want the song to feel happy, sad, romantic, emotional, or energetic. It also helps to specify instruments like piano, guitar, drums, or violin, along with the type of vocals you want, such as male, female, soft, or powerful. These details give the AI more context and usually lead to stronger results. If you want more control over the words in the song, go to the lyrics section and paste or type your own lyrics there. If not, Suno can usually generate lyrics for you based on your prompt. Then enter a title for your song. Giving it a title helps keep your projects organized, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. Once everything looks good, click Create again to generate the song. Now give Suno a moment to process your request and build the track. After it finishes, listen carefully to the generated versions and choose the one you like best. It's a good idea to compare them fully before deciding, since small differences in energy, vocals, or arrangement can make a big impact. If the song is close but not quite perfect, use the available tools like Extend, Remix, or any other editing options Suno provides. These tools can help you adjust or expand the track without starting over from scratch. Keep making changes until you're happy with the final result. When your song is finished, save it to your Suno library so you can access it later. And if you plan to use the track commercially, make sure to check the terms and usage rights included with your Suno plan before you publish or monetize the music.